Teacher, welcome, sir.
You are welcome. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
You are welcome. Today we are going to learn about.
Excuse me, sir. Please, I have a question.
You have a question?
Yes, sir.
What is your question?
I would like to learn how to make ends meet, please.
You want to learn how to make ends meet?
Yes, sir. How to make ends meet.
Okay. It's simple. I'm going to teach you today how to make ends
meet.
How to make ends
meet.
Now, how to make ends
meet.
You get it?
Yes, sir.
How to make ends
meet.
How to make ends
meet.
How to make ends
meet.
Good. Now, I'm going to give you a perfect example on how to make ends
meet. Okay, sir.
First of all, you need to draw a line. Okay? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Good. This is a line.
Okay.
And every line, remember, a line starts from one place and end to another place. Okay? And every line has a center.
Okay, sir.
And this is the center of this line.
Yeah.
And now this is the end of this line. This is another end. But what you are trying to do now is to how to make ends
meet.
This is an end and this is an end. We are trying to make ends
meet.
Good. Now you have to move this line. Stop as this center. Remember, this is a center of this line.
Yes.
All right. We have to move this end. Stop here. Now you go here again. All right. Move this end. Stop here. Are you seeing it?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
Have these ends meet?
Okay.
Have these ends meet?
This one, sir.
Have these ends meet? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is how to make ends meet.
But
what? Do you know it before?
No, sir. I don't know.
I'm trying to teach you something. You are telling me, but this is how to make ends meet. There is no other way to make ends meet. This is the best definition of how to make ends meet. No but here. But what?
Okay, sir. I have understood.
Do you have any other question?
No, sir. No, sir. No,
Better don't have. This is how to make ends meet. This is how to. There is no other way to make ends meet. This is perfect example. Make sure that you put this into practice. This is how to. You are provoking me. Let me answer my call first.